I am ready.
Hello, this is Fook. Welcome to another video, and we're talking about Donald Trump's tax plan. We went through various sources such as NPR, Forbes, the National Tax Foundation, and the Trump website to see what his tax plan is going to be. We compiled a list of the 6 biggest changes that the Trump plan is going to have. Remember, these are just proposed changes by Trump. He still has to go through Congress to pass all of these. Number 1, tax brackets are going to change. Currently, we have 7 different tax brackets. With the Trump plan, it's going to be 3. Let's run some calculation to see who benefits from the new Trump plan. If you're single and you make $50,000 a year, the Trump plan is going to save you about $650. If you're married with combined income of $100,000 a year, your tax savings will be around $1,300. If you're married and combined income is around $500,000, your tax savings will be about $6,400. Number 2, your standard deduction will increase. If you're single, right now it's $6,300, but it's going to move to $15,000. And if you're married filing joint, it's going to go from $12,600 to $30,000. For head of household status, as of right now, it's $9,300 standard deduction, but this brings me to point number 3. There's no head of household status, and this is going to affect all the single parents in a negative way. Currently, if you're a single parent filing as head of household, you have 2 kids, and your income is $75,000 a year, your taxes are going to go up $1,400 under the new Trump plan. Number 4, no personal exemption under the new Trump plan. This is going to affect everyone that has dependents. Currently, for each exemption, it's $4,050, but under the Trump plan, it's going to be 0. So with the increased standard deduction and the 0 exemption under the Trump plan, who is it really going to affect? It probably affect married couples with 5 kids. Number 5, the biggest change that I saw in his plan is going to affect most of my clients is that there's no AMT. Number 6, no additional 3.8% Medicare tax on investment income. This additional Medicare tax was put in place because of the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. From the 6 that I mentioned, who's really going to benefit from Trump's new tax plan? With the change in the tax brackets, everyone's going to benefit except for single parents. With Trump's plan to increase the standard deduction, anyone that takes a standard deduction will benefit except those with a lot of dependents. The biggest benefactor out of all of this are those who make $200,000 or more. The reason is because there's no alternative minimum tax and there's no 3.8% Medicare tax on all investment income. Remember, these are just proposed changes by Donald Trump. Below is a little article I wrote on my LinkedIn profile that shows how Congress has to go through the process to change tax laws. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube page. We have a Facebook page that you can like, and also check out our Instagram page. Thanks for watching. I really enjoyed doing this video, and let's see what happens. Better in it.